Now the damage is big because these two things will not go together. Because the moment you mix it, it will go opposite to each other and you create a battle within yourself. There is something called as Viruddha Ahara. That means, if you eat one thing and put another thing which works opposite to that, then in your system there is a war. You know, digestive process is largely between acids and alkalines and all this stuff. So if you put things like this, mixed up together, right now, because the British have taken a lot to the Indian food, I see Indian curry and Indian restaurants doing very well out there. For example, you eat meat which is fatty. If you ate it by itself, it may not cause that much damage. But you ate that with rice and ghee, you call that biryani and you ate it. Now the damage is big because these two things will not go together. This is why any non-vegetarian food and milk-related food were never mixed, because the moment you mix it, it will go opposite to each other and you create a battle within yourself. Battle means just this: if you eat food, in the yogic culture, food should not remain in your stomach bag for more than 2.5 hours. Within 2.5 hours, it should have moved out, you must be feeling empty stomach. Hunger will not come, empty stomach will come, and that is good. We want our stomach to be always empty, because in an empty stomach, everything works well. And the colon health is something that's completely neglected today. If you do not keep your colon clean, keeping your mind in a balanced state is very, very difficult. So in Ayurveda and Siddha, first thing, if you say anything, you are having sleepless nights, you are having disturbed something, mild, any kind of psychological problems, first thing is purging. Purge the system, clean the colon, suddenly you feel little balanced. It is not a whole solution, but it'll bring the basic necessary atmosphere in the body to make the corrections. Either with medicine or with necessary practices, you can bring about correction. So how we eat, how our mothers ate when she had the responsibility of nurturing another life, how she ate, how she did things, all these things have significance. We are not taking care of food, we are not taking care of our practices, how we breathe, how we drink, how we do things. No. When we eat, always we want our legs to be folded because we don't want to receive from lower level of body. People may think, oh, this is superstitious. Well, what you think is superstition, believe me, in another… now that we have this research center going, we'll focus on these things. You will see in another 10 years, you will find medical evidence for this. You will find, because we know this is how it works. This nobody can dispute because we know from experience this is how it works. Right now, medical sciences are going in that way that they want to build evidence for everything that we know by experience. It is good, it gets a undisputable kind of legacy later on. That's a good thing to do, this research must happen, I'm not against that. But the important thing is to observe life the way it happens within myself, because this is the closest life that you have.